Today we will discuss about Android Studio installation and IntelliJ installation. Two IDEs are there for Android programming, and two languages we have to use, Java and Kotlin. Nowadays Kotlin is a new language to create Android apps. First we have to see Android Studio, how to install that. Android Studio is the official integrated development environment for Google's Android operating system, built on JetBrains IntelliJ IDEA software and designed specifically for Android development. First, step 1, we have to go for the link developer.android.com studio. Here Android Studio 4.0.1 is the latest version in 64-bit, Windows 64-bit. Click on that and then it will install. After clicking, it will start the installation, and here select next Android virtual device, Android Studio, and target location for the stores folder of that Android Studio. Select your location from your system, and then it will install Android Studio. After completion of the installation, press finish and it will show default setting you have to take and then install. After installation, after completion of installation, it will show this screen, Android Studio and version, latest version 4.0.1. For few options are there: start a new Android Studio project, open an existing Android Studio project, check out project from version control, profile or debug APK, import project, import an Android code sample. For a creation of new project, start a new Android Studio project. Here, which features are there for Android Studio? Android Studio is an integrated IDE for Android app development, and it is based on IntelliJ IDEA. To enhance productivity while building Android application, Android Studio provides a number of features. Instant run on your mobile device or any virtual device. You can execute your applications on your device or AVD, Android virtual device. Extensive testing tools that can be used for better testing before launching your application on the Play Store. Testing tools are available there before publishing on the Play Store. Flexible Gradle-based build system. Gradle-based, it assists to compilation process, automate compilation process. Compilation, running, testing, these are the Gradle-based system means it will automate all the processes. Code autocomplete. Provides predefined templates that can be used in our project. Emulator support that can be used to have a virtual fill of the Android device. It provides C++ and NDK support native libraries. Support for GitHub and other version control systems. And here, how to start a new project in Android Studio. First you have to go for start a new Android Studio project. Then select empty activity. After selecting empty activity, give the project name, package name, it will automatically come, and the location for saving the file. You have to select your own location. Language, Java or Kotlin. Select. Nowadays Kotlin is the latest language to develop Android apps, therefore select Kotlin. And minimum API level. Previous lecture we have to already seen that how many API levels are there and Android versions are there. You have to select API level which your app will run on approximately all the devices. Check that percentage using different APIs. Then click finish. It will show the screen. Project structure, coding area and execution part. Three divide areas are there, and menu part. Here project shows all the folders. Project structure is there. How to run our app? Directly we have to run your app using two ways are there to execute the app, using emulator or your own device. Here, how to execute? First we have to see how to run the app on your device. Go for USB cable to connect your device with your PC. Your device is connected with PC. First you have to connect that. Then open settings from your device. Android 8.0 or higher, select system, and before select settings. Then scroll to the bottom and select about phone. Scroll to the bottom and tap build number 7 times. Build number is there in about phone. Tap 7 times and then it will show developer options. Then developer options you have to scroll down and enable USB debugging. Then after that, in your Android Studio, click on run to run your application by selecting the connected device. This is one of the process to execute your app, and another process is there using emulator. First you have to create your own virtual device. Here AVD option is there in Android Studio. Click on run. In the select deployment target window, it will show create new virtual device. After clicking that, you have to select hardware, select image, Android virtual device, and then finish and select deployment target. These two ways are there to execute, and so many various keyboard shortcuts are there in Android Studio. Here how to install IntelliJ IDEA. Two editions are there, community edition, IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate. IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate is a commercial version and a community edition is a free and open source. You have to go for community version and then install that. Download the installer.exe file is there for Windows and run the installer. It will automatically install. Here see the screen. Create a desktop shortcut, 32-bit launcher or 64-bit launcher as per your machine. You have to select the 64-bit or 34-bit context menu. Select create as associations. Suppose Java and Kotlin association you have to use in your programming. Then select java.kt. .kt means Kotlin programming extension. .java Java programming extension. Here all the options, add launcher dir to the path. It will automatically add the source to the path. Then select next and run IntelliJ IDEA for the first time. It will show this screen for IntelliJ IDEA. Now I hope you will understand how to create a new project in Android Studio and using Kotlin. So many features are introduced in Android Studio. New motion editor. You can drag easily. Then live layout. When you design, it will show layout validation. It is a visual tool for simultaneously previewing layouts on different devices and configurations. Kotlin Android live templates are there. Color picker, resource tab is available, resource manager, improved location support is available, emulators support, multi-display support, before installation of Android Studio, we first install JDK and then install Android Studio. When you want to use IntelliJ IDEA for the Android programming, then once you have IntelliJ IDEA installed, then open new project, Kotlin, project from file new, select Kotlin, JVM IDEA. Next, you have to go give the name of project, use a library Java runtime, SDK, JDK version is there, module name, all the values you have to give, and then use source file. Here src folder is there in project structure. In source file new Kotlin file class, it will create it automatically app.kt. Here you have to insert Kotlin code and running the application. Function main print line hello world. Run app.kt. It will execute the program and display hello world. This is the execution of Kotlin program using IntelliJ IDEA. You can also run with Android Studio. Thank you.